My name is Kay Morgan. This is an online presentation for Mississippi State University on the overview of Lean Six Sigma.
Lean is an improvement plan. It was originally designed for manufacturing system. Around 1950, Taiichi Ono he started it for Toyota production system. But today it can be applied to any kind of organization, government, community, and various manufacturing and service industries. In Lean method, we mainly focus on customer inputs and demands. Here we want to do more with less and we want to do it better. So to do with less in manufacturing or service industry in general, we eliminate waste by using less of everything and fewer resources in physical, technological, financial, and legal circumstances. And to do it better, we normally speed up processes by improving the workflow. We usually do that by getting the right thing to the right place at the right time and in the right amounts. By practicing lean, we are in the end delivering better services and producing better products. So with lean method, we could gain and maintain customer satisfaction over time. Then again, we monitor the customer inputs and demands to do the next round of lean improvement. Elimination of waste to speed up processes is the major lean strategy. In lean, we usually target 8 wastes of industry. The waste can be found in overproduction, inventory, motion, transportation, overprocessing, defects, waiting, and underutilization. Then, when you remove the waste in these sectors, we are removing the non value added processes or steps and fixing connections between them. I'm going to give you a couple of examples here. In overproduction waste, let's say all we need was to produce 60 parts within an hour, but system had produced 40 parts. That's the overproduction waste. And what lean does is to go through the systems, find the error, fix it, put prevention, and monitor the system. Another example here. So this bookstore got only 45 books order, but 65 books are in the inventory, so 20 books are extra. So that's the inventory waste. In lean, we want to eliminate waste, and it usually set up a pool system by storing as minimum as possible and setting up on-demand line to the suppliers and replenish only when customers buy them. Now you got a bit idea how to use lean to reduce waste in these 8 categories. How is it carried out? So in lean system, we apply various management techniques, but we have to be very careful of in which way and in which order we are going to use them, and that depends on the process. Here is the list of some of our tools. 5S is a workplace organization tool. Lean thinks that if your workplace is organized, you can speed up operation, processes, and efficiency. I'm not going to go into every tool here. Puka we use that for mistake proving to prevent errors. Puka is the operation and Yoke is the prevention of mistakes. That means preventing mistakes in operation. Here, a sensor-operated program robot hand is removing the defective bottle. Kanban is a method we use for operation efficiency. We call it a pull system. Kanban is going to ask processes to do only what is needed. So here, if the customer orders white ones, kitchen is going to refill them in the regulator. Here we have some more tools. We have visual workplace system. Here is an example for safety in the workplace. Here we have layout. We usually use it to speed up processes and eliminate waste. Here are more tools. We have many more than this list. And teamwork is one that we think we don't have it in Lean, but it is a major part of it in Lean system to eliminate underutilization of waste. By understanding how employees work and who they are, we can really use their skills. Teamwork also includes training. In Lean, training employee is very important. We usually train them so they understand what they are doing at the workplace, again, to improve workflow processes. Here is a video showing Lean method is applied to a bakery business not practicing Lean. This is an example of a business generating products with a lot of waste on production and processing. We're going to apply Lean system to this production line. The first thing Lean would do is to change the system to Lean by delivering values from customers' perspective. Then we're going to eliminate waste and continue to improve processes. Instead of mass producing and waiting for customers to come in and buy and waste products in the inventory, what we can do is we can put a pull system and wait for customer order. When it comes in, then we will start production. And Lean system usually reduces the production flow to one piece at a time and creates a better workflow and quality instead of producing many at a time. Then we're going to make the process flow at a good and consistent rate, and we call this adjusting the takt time. And Lean always control a consistent speed to enhance the process flow. We definitely don't want defects. We want a zero defects in Lean, so we prevent and fix mistake by monitoring them. In factories, we do it by using a lot of machines. This is just a simple example to visualize how it works and then monitor the system to make sure it's doing what it's supposed to be doing for continuous improvement. So Lean in a few words is to start with the customer order, make the process flow smooth and at a consistent rate with no mistakes. But you have to use many different management tools, techniques to achieve that every day. Let's do a general review of Lean approach. It creates most value for the customer at the minimum cost, and this is achieved by knowing exactly what the customer wants and by minimizing resources, time, energy, and effort. Lean approach to work is about understanding what's really going on at the place where the work happens, improving processes by which products and services are created and delivered, and developing and empowering people by coaching them problem solving. So Lean is really an effective management system because Lean helps organization to innovate and create competitive advantage, which makes them sustainable longer term. Lean principles have their roots in Toyota production system, but today they're applied to every kind of human endeavor from hospitals to bakeries.